So hello friends, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to talk about how to reproject the layers into new CRS coordinates in QGIS. So please make sure you stick around and we get to learn new stuffs in QGIS. So first, what you need is you have to need some tools that you're going to use to make sure that you reproject your CRS coordinates into a projection coordinate. So let's say, for example, let's check the CRS coordinates of this layer. So once I right click on this, I'll go click on properties. So once the property is open, I can come here and see the coordinate reference system is EPSG 4326 WGS 84. These are the geographical coordinates, and I cannot calculate the area of specific polygons on this map. This is a map of Kenya that has different polygons. So if I want to calculate the area of this, each polygon on this map, just go to open attribute table. So then you can come here and click on open the field calculator. But when I calculate those areas, will not be the actual area value of this polygon in this map. So what I want to do is to change the projection and give it a new CRS coordinate so that I can calculate the specific area. So let's say, for example, I want to do that. The first thing that you need to do is to make sure that you have the correct tools to use. So you can come here to view, then go to the panels. So you have to select the panel here that you're going to use, for example, the processing toolbox. So once you right click on it, it will come here. So I want to use the processing toolbox, and here I will type the title that I want to use to reproject my map into different. So, or if you don't find this on your QGIS, it means you have removed it like this. Once I click on that, it goes away. I can also take it back using the shortcut, it comes back. So if I want to reproject this into a different project, I will just type here reproject, and it will give me the options that I want to do. For example, I want to reproject the layer, so I will just double click on reproject the layer. Then I will come here. You see the target CRS is here, so you can reproject your CRS in any of the coordinates that you want to use. So for example, I want to use the UTM 43, here is it, Amsterdam. So once I click on it like that, then I click OK, it will go there. Then I can just save as, I can just create it as, create a temporal layer like that. Then I'll click run. Once I click run, I click close. So I have reprojected this. When we go to the projected layer, I just click on it, go to properties, then check out the new CRS. So when you come here, you can see it's a different CRS. This is the one that I've reprojected it. Depends on which one you want to do, so make sure you're using the correct one. And another easiest way to reproject your layers into a different or new CRS system is apart from using this processing toolbox, you can just come to your main layer here, you right click on it, then you go to export and save feature as. So once you click on it like that, you come here, you select the area that you want to save your reprojected layer. So here you can name it like repro, repro. So then you can save it there. Then now here you can change your CRS again, reproject it in a different way. Because I used it before, I used the UTM, you can reproject it into a different CRS based on your requirements. So I can just click on it like this, then click OK. Then yes, then once I'm done, I click OK like that. Then it can reproject and save that, so you can see the repro is here. So when we right click on this, then we go to properties, we can see I have reprojected it into different CRS. So in today's tutorials, we have learned how to reproject our existing layers into different CRS layers so that we can calculate, for example, the new calculate the area of that thing. So you can, if you want to just calculate the area, just open the open attribute table, then go to open uh, field calculator like that. Then you have to type here area. Then here you have to select decimal number real. Then you can search for geometry here. Double click on it. Then select this. Okay. Then the areas will be added here at the end of your attribute table. So for each section of the polygon. So you can see the area has been calculated here. This area is calculated there. It projects every polygon in this map. So that is it, how you can reproject your layers into different new CRS systems and also calculate the areas of each polygon in your map. I hope this tutorial helped you, and if you find it helpful, please make sure you leave a comment below, and if you have any question concerning the same, you can leave the question below, and also make sure you like it, you subscribe, and you share with your friends. See you in the next one. Bye.